Congratulations on Papatuānuku he Ataahua koe, your te reo Māori inspiration for the What a Wonderful World, taking that song and turning te reo Māori, which is beautiful. We're going to touch on that in a second. But first of all, can we say thank you to you and Te Māngai Paho for this? The breeze jingling te reo Māori. Ra sang it. You did such a beautiful job with that. Thank you so much.
Are you like driving along in your car and you hear that come on?
Oh, yeah.
Do you find the breeze, make sure that you make sure they're playing it?
Of course. And when we travel around too, we make sure to put it on and listen to it. But no, so proud to have been involved in this project.
Yeah.
And especially that I got to sing it in te reo Māori.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it actually really inspired me to, just as an artist, just to sing a lot of my songs in Māori. Like anything I write, I'm like, okay, how can I turn this into, sing it in te reo Māori?
I mean, it won a radio award.
I know.
I mean, we sing all the time, won nothing. But you
but you can actually
award,
sing.
So congratulations.
And all the team as well, Dixon Lacey and Hayden Booth, music and everything. So so proud to be part of it.
Done.
My whānau's super proud, my friends are proud. So
So tell us about the song, the beautiful version of What a Wonderful World. What was the inspo behind that particular song?
Cool. So What a Wonderful World, I've always loved the song. As a band, we love taking well-known songs and sort of putting a bit of a twist to them. So we love a bit of reggae.
Yep.
Put those together. And then I remembered from when I was really little, my whānau singing it in te reo Māori. And I said to Mum, hey, do you remember, the song? And she said, yes. Okay, call up your cousin John.
It's always the cousin John who knows.
Call up John. He remembered most of it, I'd say like 80% of it. And then, so we actually ended up kind of reworking the lyrics as well to come up with the this beautiful wata.
Yeah.
And I love the sentiment of the lyrics because it's about the Māori myth and legend of Papatuānuku and Ranginui.
Yeah.
So
So it's not a literal translation of the lyric?
No.
Tell us what.
But it shares the same sentiment.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
It's about appreciating the small things in life, just taking a second just to breathe and just remember, hey, these things.
There are some amazing things in the world that we can be grateful for and celebrate, right? There's a lot to be excited about.
And the video is beautiful. There's moments in the video of your father's tangi.
Yes.
So this is obviously a very personal thing for you.
Very personal. And recording it was beautiful. It had a lovely time, but it was also very emotional because a lot of the words made me think of my father. I was very close to. Terrible. But so it does. It has a personal meaning, and there's actually a line in there: "Ka te tiro atu o ki tēnei ao kinga mahi nei a ngā tūpuna," and that really made me think of my dad because it talks about the work that our ancestors have done for us to be here on this earth. So we've got a music video as well. Like you said, we managed to get some footage from the tangi. We wanted to just capture those moments because, at the marae, it's all about getting the guitar out, having a good sing-along with your cousins and your whānau, food, lots of kai. Lots of kai. Kids running around. It's such a magical place.
Get the mattresses out, everybody crashes in the wharenui.
Sharing the love, so that all comes across in the video and obviously relates to the words of the song as well.
I went to a tangi recently in the last sort of few weeks and when I watched your video, it made me smile.
Oh, cool.
Do you know what I mean? Because I sat there and I recognised those moments when cousins come together, haven't seen each other for a while, you're outside the wharenui, just talking and laughing and sharing stories again about the person who's passed away, and those stories get shared and the kids get to hear those stories as well, as would be for your whānau, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
It's just a beautiful, it's like the world almost
just
stops when you're
big
there.
Hug.
You're just surrounded by so much whānau, so much love, and you're going through a hard time, but it just reminds you of that connection, whānau love, and that's what we have brought into the song.
And boy, does the world need more of that.
It needs a lot of hugs.
Yes.
I want to also acknowledge your husband Hayden as well, because he lost his papa as well this year, is that right? Yes. So I want to acknowledge that too. There was someone on the show who just needed some help with his singing.
He talks about himself a lot. Yeah. What could you offer, Rob?
Come see me. Give it a go. It's one of those things where people come to me and they think that singing and music is this elitist thing. It's only meant for, if you want to go
sing
be...
it's
for everyone. You know, my favourite moments around singing is when I'm with my whānau friends and, you're just enjoying it together.
And you can hear Rā every day on our show, every single day.
Every half an hour, right?
Every half an hour.
Every half an hour.
It's so lovely to sit down and have this kōrero with you. Congratulations on Papatuānuku he Ataahua koe. And we're looking forward to jamming that song. Thank you.
Kia ora. Thank you so much.